Hi, my name is Dave Millian. I'm the automotive collision instructor at Western Maricopa County Educational Center in Phoenix, Arizona. Our quest here is to achieve a top tier or level 1 status. To achieve that, we currently have to finish our NATEP certification, which is about halfway completed. If we were to win the grant, we would use the money to upgrade any of the old equipment or tools that we have currently, or purchase new tools that we don't have. As far as our shop is pretty well equipped, we do have everything on the NATEP tool list, but we would like to upgrade it.
This is our automotive collision repair shop, featuring current projects that the students are working on. You'll see to the left the Goliath frame machine. This portion of our lab features prep, detail, and paint stations. Looking from this side of the shop, you will see our 2 paint booths and paint mixing room. And finally, we have our outdoor work area with our smaller frame machines. This is our tool and equipment room where we keep all small tools and materials.
Any spraying to do?
Well, Natalie's going to work on spraying the Challenger. I'm going to try and get the Challenger done. It's already been jammed, but it has to be finished up. There's areas where missed, so we're going to go over that.
Other than the Challenger?
Other than the Challenger, if Joel needs help, I don't know if Joel needs any help. He's working.
My name is Adrian. I've been in this program for 2 years. I'm a senior in this collision program that I'm in WestMEC. I'm in the East Campus. The best thing I like about being in this program is the hands-on and being able to work along with the technician that knows what he's doing and teaching us new things every day about the cars and working alongside with us during the whole process.